They are the modern griots, living voices preserving a sacred frequency. Griots were once village historians in West Africa, but today they speak from stages, classrooms, sound systems, and sometimes even street corners. They teach, they chant, they remind, but most of all, they resist. The dub poet with a mic in hand, the DJ who weaves protest into every beat, the teacher using verse to awaken sleeping minds, each one part of a lineage stretching back centuries, forward ever, backward never. People like Mutabaruka, who don't just write poems, he declared revolution in italic. His barefoot walk was not a gimmick. It was a step away from colonial footprint. Voices like Linton Johnson, who turned English into patois warfare. Each line a bullet of truth in the belly of Babylon. And today,